When we think about war, our minds usually jump to tanks, jets, soldiers with rifles, the usual stuff. But history is filled with chapters that are way, way weirder. We're going to dive into the truly bizarre and, frankly, terrifying side of human creativity when it comes to fighting each other.
Yeah, this quote pretty much nails it, doesn't it? It's cynical for sure, but it's also brutally honest. It's a reminder that when things get desperate, the rulebook for what counts as a weapon just gets completely tossed out.
All right, so our first stop on this, let's call it a tour of twisted technology, is the animal kingdom. Seriously. Long before we had smart bombs, commanders looked at the creatures around them and thought, how can we use that? It led to some of the most unusual and, let's be honest, cruel tactics you can imagine.
Okay, put yourself in this scenario. You're a Roman soldier. Staring you down is a line of war elephants. These things are literal ancient tanks, giant,